You can create single word style captions directly with Captioneer. Open Auto Caption Settings and click this checkbox for single word captions. The settings above will gray out because we no longer count characters with this setting. It just looks for whole words. Hit close, and then we can also open Show More. I'll turn on Remove Gaps, Remove Line Breaks, and Remove Punctuation. And then we can pick a preset. I'll pick this Akira one. We can come down to Create and select a target track, then hit Add Mogarts. And that adds all our one-word Mogarts to the sequence. Let's check it out.
The food system's all messed up. I swear, they got microplastics now. You heard about this? One of my friends, he was telling me, allegedly the average person eats 1 credit card a week. That's too much. I take one bite, I'm like, that's enough, you know?
And that's how to get single word captions in Captioneer.